Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay OnlyFans with credit card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to OnlyFans and log into your OnlyFans account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll on your left panel here. You're going to have this add card option. Simply click on the add card option. So when you get to your add card option here, so what you're going to do now is simply click on plug in the details of your credit card. So if you want to use your credit card for payments, so simply add that credit card here. So fill in the details of your card and then your card details and everything. Just once you have completed all these fields here, hit on submit. So when you click on submit, this card will be added to your OnlyFans account, and this card will be used for any payment or subscriptions that you do on OnlyFans. So in that way you will be able to pay with your credit card once you have added it to your account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.